my baby was admitted to NICU the same day. He had some breathing issues. Baby was not latching correct. I was having sore nipples and there were wounds and I was so much into pain. I have read that it's a painful journey, but it should not be that painful. I was literally having pains. I was crying and I had fever and everything. I'm Achal Khosla. I'm 31 years old. I recently had a baby. My baby is just 1 month old. So I'm an IT professional. I've been into IT for last 10 years. I stay in Delhi. I delivered my baby in 38 weeks of my pregnancy. It was a normal delivery. And post that, when I was in hospital, actually my baby was admitted to NICU the same day. So my breastfeeding did not start in that golden hour, which is set immediate. So my baby was into NICU for the entire night. So baby was handed over to us the next day. Baby was delivered in the evening. So entire night he was in NICU because he had some breathing issues. So for precautionary measures, he was under observation, and we got the baby on the next day in the morning around 10 or 11. My breastfeeding journey did not start immediately, which is said is very helpful and very advisable that the same time it is started, but it did not happen for me. So it started the next day. So unfortunately, it happened that I did not get the lactation consultation which happened at the hospital. So there were the nurses who guided me how to breastfeed the baby, how to hold the baby and everything, but it was not that deep or that informative which nurses told me how to feed the baby. They provide a lactation consultant, but it did not happen for me. I think there was some confusion or something like that, but it did not happen. So I got all the instructions how to feed the baby, how to hold the baby via nurse
All right.
who used to come and tell me, okay, this is the feeding time. Now hold the baby like this. And mostly she used to help me, like hold the baby like this or that. But I was not able to realize that baby was not latching correct. Breastfeeding journey started, but the latching was not proper. After a weekend, so when I was having sore nipples and there were wounds and I was so much into pain. I have read that it's a painful journey, but it should not be that painful. I was literally having pains. I was crying and I had fever and everything. That's when I started reading about it. Why is it happening? We did book consultation with a lactation consultant there as well. But since my baby was very, very, very small and trying to match the doctor's timing and going physically there was not possible. We had to reschedule the appointment 2 times because baby was cranky or it was not his feeding time and everything. Because when I have booked my lactation consultant, she specifically told me that come at that time when it's a feeding time for baby, and you cannot
Ready.
with that young baby you cannot predict that okay, this will be the exact time he'll be feeding. So we had to reschedule it 2 times. We were looking for something where we can get an online support, where I can stay home and I can discuss my problems or someone can guide me online. And that's when my husband came across Baby Nama's free seminar on breastfeeding journey. So I joined that seminar. I liked the way the doctors explained everything. I took that 1 month support for Baby Nama. I got a dedicated lactation consultant. In the first webinar itself, I like the session and the details where they shared. I mean, the entire details, how to identify hunger cues, what is the correct position, and everything. So I wanted something in detail. So at the end, we got this information that there is a 1 month program where we'll get a dedicated lactation consultant, nutritionist, and everything. So I kind of like that entire package which was included in that. So I took 1 month of subscription. He was exclusively on breastfeed, but it was getting painful for me. I was having second thought of either starting to give the breast milk through a bottle, but I was not ready because baby was not even 1 month. So that's the reason I took the lactation consultation. And then she made sure the baby is exclusively breastfed. It's almost 1 month. Every issue is resolved for me. To be honest, when I was going through that pain and everything, I used to cry. I was literally scared, thinking, okay, now it's the time for baby's feed. Now it will pain. And post that also, even after baby's done with his feeding, it used to pain like anything. So I was scared. I did not want to go ahead with breastfeed, but now I'm okay. Even at nights, it's fine for me. I'm happy, very happy that, yeah, I'm able to breastfeed properly. I know it's a taboo out there. Women don't want to discuss this problem with anybody, but it's very normal to seek help if you are not comfortable, you are not feeling well, because there are many things which will go along this journey, and going through it with pain and everything is not advisable. So seek help, get the advice, get the proper guidance on how to feed, and you'll be very happy that your baby is exclusively breastfed and growing. It's a different feeling altogether when you see your baby happy and growing. I got it was a pediatric service, there was a WhatsApp group created that was complimentary with my package. So I'm still part of that group, and there I can see I have not posted on it anything, but I have seen mothers posting their queries, small queries related to their babies, minute questions, or questions they are posting, and pediatricians on that group are helping immediately. Actually, my pediatrician is available to me on my phone. She's just a text away. That's the reason I have not joined that group. Thank you so much, and thank you for Baby Nama's breastfeeding community for helping. It's very helpful.